Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this chapter we will go over the Align command. This command allows us to align objects to other objects, and even scale them in the process. Here we have a 10 by 5 rectangle that we would like to align in relation to this angled line with a length of 20. First thing we must do is open the command by typing AL in the command line. Now we select the object we want to align. Next, LusoCAD will prompt us to select source points. These source points will decide how the object is aligned. So, for example, if we want to turn the rectangle clockwise so the longest side is aligned to the line, we should select the longest side start and end point as first and second source point. When we select the first source point, we will have to select the destination point, so we select the start point of the line. Logically, what follows is the other corner of the rectangle and the end line of the 20-unit long line. We press Enter, and we are asked if we want to scale the object. Let's press No for now. This is the result. The rectangle was rotated and aligned to the line, and it kept its original dimensions of 10 by 5. Let's now try to align the rectangle again, but this time by the shortest side. So we specify the source points by clicking on the corners of the shortest side of the rectangle. The destination points will remain the same, although you can click anywhere in the line when asked for the second destination point. We see here that the rectangle was properly aligned. Now, what would happen if we choose Yes when asked if we want to scale the object? Let's try to align the rectangle again, as we did the first time. And now we choose Yes to scale. As you can see, the rectangle now adopts the same length of the line, to take up the entire line as reference. Now the rectangle is double the size, so 20 by 10. This is all for the Align tool. Keep watching to learn more tools and features of LusoCAD.